Ben here with Thrust Institute of Maintenance. The past couple days in power plant class, we've been going over engine run-ups. This is after maintenance is performed on an aircraft. Your maintenance manuals are going to dictate that you run up the engine, verify the work you've performed on the engine is safe with an engine run-up. So what that looks like, it can just be a idle run-up, something small like just changing a fuel filter, checking that no leaks are occurring on the engine. It can be a little bit more serious if you change the full engine. A common practice is to take the airplane out for a spin, so to speak. So you're going to drive around to a safe part of the airport. You're going to get into contact with ATC and have them direct you out to a run-up pad. What that looks like is run your throttle, sometimes up to takeoff power. It's going to be your max rated power. In which case, you're checking engine parameters, really making sure everything's safe before you hand it off to the pilot. So it's a big part of maintenance. It's part of redundancy, double checking our work, really making sure these planes are safe to fly. And that's going to be common practice for any airline organization.
Wait a little bit, make sure they're not having a conversation.
Yeah.
All right, so that's a fair amount of time. Go ahead and do that again.
Ashton Tower, thrust 532, holding short of Tango, requesting taxi to the south run-up area.
Okay, call him again. Call him again.
Ashton Tower, thrust 532, holding short of Tango, trying to get to the south run-up pad.
The 532, you on, are you trying to go to the south run-up or are you trying to go back to Tango?
Trying to get to the south run-up pad, thrust 532.
That's 532, report holding short, taxi Alpha.
You said Alpha?
Yeah.
Thrust 532, taxi via Alpha.
That's 532, report holding short of taxiway Alpha.
Here, I got it.
Hey, affirmative, thrust 52, will hold short of Alpha via Tango, thank you.
All right, so we're going to get up to Alpha, then we're going to stop. So, yeah, you accidentally told them that we're going to drive on Alpha. Yeah, so from here, you'll go ahead and let off the brakes. All right, now go ahead and stomp on the brakes for me. Make sure we're working. That's good. Now, you've taxied before, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, nice. So you kind of know how it works, differential braking.
Yeah.
So I'll let you take over your airplane. Here we are, holding short of Alpha, trying to get to south run-up pad.
That's 532, taxi to the south run of the Alpha.
Hey, affirmative, south run-up pad via Alpha, thrust 532, thank you.
All right, so he went ahead and my airplane real quick. Now he's telling you to go. So go ahead and yeah, he caught you. So go ahead and advance the throttle a little bit, and then start to swing left now. Swing. All right, clear left and right. Keep swinging. Keep swinging. All the while checking oil pressure's good. Fahrenheit amps. Yeah, try to get us back on the line. Nice. All the while we're listening, make sure they don't give us some other information.
Addison ground, cross clamp 76 at Galaxy Pink 5 for Council.
Cross clamp 76 Addison ground, clear to the Delta Alpha Lima Airport on departure turn left heading 050. Expect radar vectors, maintain 2000, maintain 2000, departure frequency 124.3, squawk 5244.
Cross clamp 76 clear to the Delta Alpha Lima Airport. On departure left turn 050, coming to
slow us down.
4.3 and squawk 5244.
Hit the brakes.
Read back correct information, Delta current.
We have Delta, we're at gas fuel advised for the right taxi.
Alright, looks like somebody's already there. Yep. Alright, I'll go ahead and take over here. Alright, controls. Yeah. Let's see.
Number 3-4 Romeo, use caution. There's a helicopter landing on the Millionaire North ramp, the left FEO on your right. Yeah, the helicopter.
Romeo is going to be short.
Captain ground citation 144 Kilo Mike. I'm at the south run-up area. I'd like to taxi back to Tango.
144 Kilo Mike, Addison, ground taxi Tango via Alpha.
Alright, we're on Alpha. We're going to hold short of Romeo.
144 Kilo Mike. Taxi Alpha to Tango.
It's alright. See. At the ground, 532 on Alpha, holding short of Romeo, trying to get to Tango.
100 Alpha Zulu, Addison, ground, you up?
Yep, we're up there, Alpha Zulu.
00 Alpha Zulu, if you can, cross the Alpha to the ramp straight across, make a 180 hold short of Alpha for obstruct traffic.
Yep, we'll cross Alpha and get onto the ramp, make a 180 hold short of Alpha 0.
And so it's 532, you can continue taxi to Tango.
Continuing to Tango on Alpha, press 532, thank you. Alright, sorry about that. Crazy day.
00 Alpha Zulu, when you complete your 180 there, you're going to give way to a citation off to the left, and you can continue taxi to Galaxy via Alpha.
Alright, give way to the citation off our left, and then continue Alpha to Galaxy 100 Alpha Zulu.
And was there a thrust calling ground unanswered?
Alrighty, slow down. Right on the line, pulling the nose in. Clear, then go ahead and bring our throttle back and then our mixture back all the way. Yeah, oh, that's it. Make sure all the way back. Nice. Well done. Unfortunate. A lot of stuff happening, but go ahead and flick all these off. Start with your lights, mags. Yeah, alternator. And then go ahead and do your master and then your emergency battery.
Hope you all enjoyed getting a little bit of a look into the life of an aircraft mechanic with Thrust Institute of Maintenance. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more good content.